All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Thursday adverb. Along, along, going, going on a certain path. So going on a certain path, and or with certain people or things. So I walk along the river. The river's on my left. I walk along it. I walk along the river. I walk along the road. The road is here and I walk on it. Walking on the path by the road. Walking on the path by the river. We walked along the forest, for example. Here's the forest and we walked along the forest, around it, on the edge. We went along the path. I will go along this route. They want to go along that route. Yeah. How cool is that? It just keeps going along the road. This path just keeps going along the road. She went with me along the journey, along for the journey, along the road, along the path, along the pavement. He thought he could have walked along this path with me, but it did not quite work out. How cool is that? They are planning to walk along the river bank. They are planning to walk along the edge of the river, on the side of the river. Our route will take us along the river, so we will follow it for a while. Yeah, how cool is that? She walked along the road. You have to be careful when walking along the road. It can be dangerous. How cool is that? Yeah. I'm walking along the edge of the forest. Yeah. We can find a lot of paths along the forest, along the edge of the forest. Yeah, here's the forest. We can find a lot of paths along the edge of the forest. He wants to travel along the coast to the north. So if we follow this path, it will take us along the coast. So here's the coast, here's the land. We follow this path, it'll take us by the coast and along the coast. So here's the coast, going along it. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So along, going along a certain route, going along there. Yeah, how cool is that? So can you use along in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. You can also find me on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Let's keep exploring.